After I saved my updated configuration for the Application Access Integration portion of WPO365, I am automatically taken to the plugin self-test. So let's click to start the self-test. I am asked to sign in because I also configured the single sign-on portion of this specific instance of WPO365. So I sign in, and the plugin will perform a number of tests, and some of those tests I will basically ignore, like how is single sign-on working, because for now I'm only interested in whether or not the configured application permissions are working. So I scroll down a little bit to some of the features, the premium features I must add, of the plugin, whether they are working. For instance, Profile Plus. Can WPO365 retrieve a user's basic profile with application permissions? Well, that's okay. Yes, it can. If I scroll further down, there is roles and access and audiences. Can the plugin, can WPO365 retrieve a user's Azure AD group memberships using application permissions? Yes, it can. And here I can click to view the result. Here I can see the data that the plugin retrieved from Microsoft Graph. So in general, I can say that the configuration of application permissions was successful.